Okay guys, so hope you're having a great Saturday. I've just done gym workouts, lost £4, £4.2, so maintaining 12 stone, so that's exceptional for me, especially when I was over 15.5 stone at the start of this year. Lost over 3 stone in 3 months, which has done me a world of good. Blood pressure's down, stress is down, feel a lot better, and again, we're making money. Yeah, we're making money, passive money. You know, there's making money and there's passive income, residual income, and people say, Simon, how do you get rich? Okay, and this is what the rich do. Okay, they use money to make more money. Okay, and how do you do that? Well, you can put money in the bank. Okay, if you put money in the bank, for instance, okay, will it make you more money? Actually, it won't. It will lose your money. Here's why. Okay, first and foremost, even if in a high interest rate bank account, this is what, or a building society, you're going to get around about 1% per year. Let's say you get 2% per year. Okay, now inflation, let's say, is around about 10% a year. What's happening is the fiat money. Okay, that's the government money in your world, wherever you are in the world. Okay, it will be worth less than it is today. Why is that? Because of inflation. Okay, now you need to protect yourself against that, and if you don't, you're going to get poorer. And most people, remember, are poor. Remember this. This is what one of my mentors said to me a long time ago. Okay, when I was learning about entrepreneurship, how to make money on the internet, and that is this. Okay, if you are trading your time for money, you will always be poor, no matter how much money you're making. And why is that? Think about this. When you stop work, your income stops. Okay, so no matter how much you get, you can be a lawyer, you can be a solicitor, you can be a judge. Okay, again, when you stop work, your income stops. Okay, what about if you're sick, you're poorly? Okay, again, your income stops. Okay, and therefore you want to protect yourself against that, and that is do what the rich do. They use money to make more money. Okay, so I'm going to share with you now, okay, very briefly, an opportunity where you can do that, and it will not cost you a penny. There's no investment, there's nothing to buy, and there's nothing to sell, and yet we've got people making anything from, you ready for this, $200 per day to in excess of $100,000 per day. Okay, think about that. Think about the power of that. Now, we haven't got all day, so basically we've got a video, okay, which is going to show you exactly how that works. So to get that video, just comment down below, or wherever you're seeing this video on the internet, just comment info, and I'm going to be sending you this video, which is going to share with you the power of passive residual income and how you can be making money even while you sleep. Think about that. No cost, nothing to buy, nothing to sell, no investment, and yet you can make in excess of $100,000 per day. This is real, my friends. So leave me a comment wherever you see this on the internet, or private message me, and I'll get this information to you, and it could change your life. Take action now. God bless you.